Kazim, where this guy wey we just employ a few days ago, wetin be him name again? Oga, him name na Mr. Tom. Abeg, help me go find am. I get work for am now, make quickly do. I ain't just dey here since they sleep. You no go work.
No be juju be that.
See this mugo. Say this guy come here, come work, I be na sleep. He come here, come dey sleep.
This man.
Come, my friend. Abeg, wake up. Oga dey find you.
Mumu no too much.
Kazim, wetin happen? Na me dey wake like that. Hey, oh me, Mr. Tom, Lagos guy. Come, guy. Oga dey call you. He get work for you. Dey very, very important. No wahala. Make we dey go. Make I hear wetin Oga wan make I do.
We realize
My Oga himself, the number one mechanic for this local government. I greet you, my chairman.
Will you keep quiet?
I no employ me. You come dey hail me for here. I get work for you to do. You go help me change the brake pad for that green car wey you dey sleep inside.
Is that you?
No wahala, my boss. I go do am sharp. Just send me the money. May I quickly go buy the part come. No wahala. I don transfer the money to you now. Quickly go, come back, abeg. This my chairman need him car today.
70 years old
Boy,
man.
see opportunity to make easy money. I need to plan this thing well.
Mumu no too much.
Who be this way they call me when I dey work? I'm on Sandra.
Are you?
Hello, babe. How you dey now? Sandra, baby. I don't miss you, gone.
This man.
Tom, how far now? I no hear from you again. You been promise say you go buy me phone. Say you go send me the money. Since 2 days ago, I no just hear from you.
They have
Babe,
left
I
you.
beg, no vex. You know, say work, wait in my hand, the plenty gone. But no worry, get small cash, we just enter my hand now. I will try send them to you.
Okay, Tom, no problem. I would expect the money. Thank you very much.
Oh, God, see my life. I want to do this one. I know what I go do. I go use the old brake pad when I get down. Put am for the motor. So at least the owner no go know the difference.
May God not allow them, make them kill you. You think say they wise? You're a mumu man.
Oga, I don't finish the work. I beg, let me let the owner know so make come carry motor. No wahala, Tom. I go call the owner now. The owner they go come collect the motor sharp. You dey sure say you do am well, Tom. I don't want wahala for this customer. Na big man he be o. Yes, boss. I don't do am well. I do am well. No worry. That's very good, Tom. See our chairman they come. Oga, welcome, sir.
Hello, everyone. I hope say my car done ready now. I feel the car am dey go work, abi.
Oh, sure thing, sir. Your car is ready now. If you dey carry and they go work now, more quickly reach my office to finalize everything.
Mumu no too much.
God, I hope this thing no go spoil for road. Me no go pay for unnecessary problem.
Will you keep quiet?
Anyhow, sha, I don't finish work for today. Make I quickly dey reach house.
70 years old man. This man. May God not allow them, make them kill you.
Is that you?
Who be all these people they knock my door for this time of the night?
Photo.
Mr. Tom, you know why we are here.
Not be juju be that.
Officer, wetin happen now? Wetin bring you come my house for this time of the night? Mr. Tom, you remember that man when you change him brake pad this morning? Well, that man nearly died. And he remains small for KT, 2 people with him. Mr. Tom, we been check that brake pad and we see say na used one we don't old well. Now you carry put inside. Anyway, sha, when you reach station, you will explain better.
Thank you very much, my country people. I'm glad you enjoyed our program. Please hit like and subscribe to support our cause.